Hey guys, I'm playing Subway Surfers again, and let's see if we can get a higher score than last time. I heard there was a new update for stuff, and something about medieval. I don't know what it was about. So let me see if I can beat people's records. You know, be pretty awesome. And you know, Buzz. Where'd I get the beat? I guess they gave me a freebie or something. Wow. Okay, let's keep on going through this. And if you guys are wondering about Bloons TD, I might not play that for a while, but if I do end up playing that game, I'm probably restarting on it because I lost my account because something went wrong with my phone and a bunch of other things happened, and you know. So I had to, and I'm just joking, but I still have it on my phone. I accidentally just deleted it. But I might be playing a new game. I'm not sure if I might be playing a new game coming up soon. I think it might be in Japanese or English, the game I'm gonna play. I know I'm gonna have 2 accounts for it. Oh, so far I'm meeting a lot of people at this game. It's going pretty good. Yeah. Oh. Oh man, that you just fall down and everything goes downhill from there. Boing. That was actually pretty perfect right there. They gave me the double coin thing, star, and I got this. Oh yeah. Ninja skills. I'm beating actually a lot of people so far, so I'm doing pretty good. You know, probably not as good as some people, but you know what I mean. For me, this is probably a high record. Because I'm not that good at this game. I don't really like using keys, but I really want to keep this record going. I want to keep this going so far. You know, I'm going to stop using keys because I'm going to run out of keys. And I kind of want to open. Oh, I unlocked Trixie. Oh, cool. Let's see if we can beat that new record. I don't like going so slow. I'm like walking at this rate. Just keep on going. Okay. So, it's just weird to talk when I'm going this slow. I feel like I'm a turtle. Turtle! Yeah, I'm a turtle, you know. Turtle. Here is more fast for me. You know, I like the fastness. That's the fast pace running. Fast pace runnings. Wow, he can fly like that? This guy's like crazy. I don't even know how that big police officer is even catching up with me. I mean, look at my legs. They might be noodles, but I don't think he could catch up to me. I thought the only thing that I thought that would actually beat me is his dog, which is his dog is probably faster than me. I don't know how that guy. I'm giving that guy. What the heck is he wearing? I mean that guy is. I'm giving that police officer like an exercise chasing me through the whole entire city. I wonder if there's like a point at this game when you run so much you actually get to a different country. Like, you know how like I'm in the medieval right here. I like walked in on like New York and I just went around the country doing that kind of stuff. That would be kind of cool, right? I would think that's kind of cool if you would like go around. Once you go so far that you actually go into like another themed place. That would actually be pretty cool. But you would end up missing out on a bunch of stuff. Unless to even it out somehow. God doesn't like me. Let's see what we got. I unlocked a few stuff. Boards. What's over here? There's like, what does the 2 thing mean? Whoa. I really want that ninja. I want that ninja and this guy. Those are like the only 2 that I actually really want. So let's go again. And after this, I might just... Never mind. You'll end up finding out. It's gonna be a secret. You know what? Oh, darn it. Well, guys, that about ends it for this Subway Surfers. See you in the next episode of whatever playthrough I do next. Bye!